So let's use historical log and create historical data using SQL database. So I will go to historical data option over here and first define a data log. Data log is something where I have to define whether it's an SQL database, you can see, or CSV file, which is Excel. And there are other options as well. So after defining data log, I will use a tag that those whose data I'm going to store, right? So I'm using tag 4, which was our output tag for a tank level, right? And here it's further gives more options. Further options, I will go to properties, and here I will define, go to storage, and here I will use database. This is the most important part. Here I will sorry, here I'll write WinCC that we are further going to use later on. So remember that I have defined WinCC over here. I will turn on the simulation. So everything seems to be working. Now I will go to control panel. I'll go to administrative tools and use this ODBC data source. Here I will define my data source. Here I will create my SQL, link my SQL server, SQL database with my Siemens TIA Portal software. So after opening ODBC, I will open Microsoft SQL Server over here in which I will create a database. So I will show you how to link all these database with TIA Portal using ODBC. So let me start that, run it as administrator. It's a heavy software, so it will take some time to start. So remember that I'm using WinCC Plus MG 2014 as server name. It should show here by default. When you install Siemens softwares, it creates its own database server, right? So my server is connected, which is a good sign. Further, I will create a database over here. I'll go to new database and name my database as, let's say I'll name it as first tank. We created a tank in our HMI, right? So here you can see first tank. You can see my previous databases as well, named tank level, which I might have earlier created. So I have to create a table in that should be automatically created. So next step would be I will go to ODBC, and here I will connect my SQL server. I will name it as WinCC, the data source which we named in TIA Portal. I will connect WinCC plus server. Go to next, and here I will connect first tank database that I just created in SQL server. Test my data source. It has tested successfully. Okay, and everything seems to be working. Now I believe I turned off the simulation. Let me turn WinCC simulation again. Let me take both the screens side by side. So let me turn up and turn down the slider. Let me refresh it. Let me go to tables. It has automatically created a data log table. Let me add it top 200 rows so I can see the data. So here you can see tag values are stored. So you can see time series data being stored for each second or each 5 seconds. I believe cycle time is 5 seconds. And you can see data validity and time stamp as well, and time in millisecond as well. So I moved the value. I have to exit that and go to edit top 200 rows to see my data again. As you can see, it is being updated like that. So further, I won't go in detail of SQL Server. You can, it is a separate language, right? I will create one more logging tag so I can show you how you can store data for multiple tags. Let me turn on the simulation again. I will close those screens, those tables, and just change these values over here and go to edit to top 200 rows. And if I scroll down, let me scroll it down, and you can see tag 4 and tag 3 data as well. Easy, right? So how easily you can connect your SQL database over here. Thank you.